Adjusting the seasoning, a flavorful journey in cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's essential for cooks and chefs alike: adjusting the seasoning. It might sound simple, but this phrase is packed with flavor and knowledge. So, let's explore what it means to adjust the seasoning and how it can elevate your cooking to the next level. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a seasoned chef, mastering this skill will make all the difference in your dishes. When we say, adjust the seasoning, we're talking about the process of tasting your food as you cook and then adding more spices or ingredients to enhance its flavor. Seasoning doesn't just mean salt and pepper. It encompasses all the herbs, spices, acids, like lemon juice or vinegar, and even sweetness, sugar or honey, you might add to balance the taste of your dish. The goal is to achieve a harmonious flavor profile where no single taste overpowers the others. Seasoning is what turns a bland meal into a memorable dish. It's the art of bringing out the best in your ingredients. Proper seasoning can highlight the main components of your dish, enhance background flavors, and even mask minor imperfections. It's a critical step that should not be overlooked, as it significantly impacts the overall taste and satisfaction. Adjusting seasoning is an ongoing process throughout cooking. Here are a few steps to get it right. 1. Taste as you go. Always taste your dish at different cooking stages to understand how flavors are developing. 2. Start small. Add small amounts of seasoning at a time. It's easier to add more than to fix a dish that's become too salty or spicy. 3. Balance flavors. Learn how different flavors work together. Sometimes, a dish might need a hint of acid, lemon juice or vinegar, or a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. 4. Consider the end product. Remember that some ingredients, like salt, intensify in flavor as they cook down. Always consider the final taste. Even experienced cooks can make seasoning errors. Here are a few common mistakes. Overseasoning early. Adding too much seasoning before all components of the dish have combined can lead to an overpowering taste. Forgetting acidity, often overlooked. Acidity can brighten and balance a dish beautifully. Neglecting taste testing. Not tasting your dish as you cook is one of the biggest mistakes. Your palate is the best tool in the kitchen. Adjusting the seasoning is a crucial skill in cooking that can elevate your dishes from good to great. Remember, cooking is as much about intuition and experience as it is about following a recipe. Don't be afraid to experiment and trust your taste buds. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of seasoning and how to adjust it like a pro. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.